Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use a reference image in Adobe Firefly. So first, let me show you my prompt. It is a robot wearing sunglasses and a headset, neon cyberpunk city background. Alright, so it's super simple. All you have to do is hover over your image, look for the button with 3 dots, click on that, and then select Use as Reference Image. That's going to load new images. You're also going to get this pop-up right here. And while the images are loading in the background, you're going to see this bar right here. And all you have to do is drag the little circle to the left or to the right. You can think of the left hand side as 0.0 and the right hand side as 0.100. So if we drag it all the way to 0.0, there are not going to be many changes. And if we drag it all the way to the right hand side, we're going to see a variety of changes. So we can see our reference image here, and then we can see that now we have a variety. Let's take a look at the results. And the way that the reference image is different than, for example, the show similar button is that with the slider tool, adjusting the slider allows you to make micro changes to get back to the reference image or then change it completely. Right now we're starting to see that they're all facing forward. We're starting to get back to the original reference image. Let's put it back to the halfway point, and we start to see that now it's closer to the reference image, but we can see slight different changes. Okay. And now another great thing that you can do with the reference image is that you can change the prompt and still keep some of the reference image. So let's try that. So instead of a neon cyberpunk city, let's put a neon cyberpunk flower garden. Let's see how that turns out. Okay, so that's interesting. So it just added flowers all over. Okay, I think I like this one the most. It's interesting. Let's do one more example. Let's say desert oasis. Let's see what happens with that. Okay, I don't see much of a change, so I want to maybe, let me drag the little circle more to the right to see we get a greater variety. Alright, yeah, so it's starting to make a change. We get closer to the style that we want, and it does have a desert background now. It's kind of cool. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this quick tutorial on how to use the reference image. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.